Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is in the playlist called Serious Fun with SQL, and here we'll be learning about the wildcard characters used in Oracle SQL. So wildcard, you've heard about it in the OS, operating systems that we use, could be DOS, could be Unix or Linux. So there are two wildcard characters that we use in SQL. And the first one is the underscore. The underscore wildcard is used to represent any single character in the position where it is specified. Okay. Let's look at an example. So select asterisk from customer table, where surname, like, and then this is string condition, SM underscore TH. So again, underscore represents, it's a wildcard character, but it only represents a single character. It can only represent one character in that specified position. In this case, between M and T, and or T. Okay, let's execute this. So that means it picked up one record. That means obviously it satisfies the work condition wherein it can be, you're saying, you can match this with a record that contains this string and any kind of character between M and T. And that's because here the surname is Smith. So that matches the condition. Okay. Now, to show you that this wildcard character indeed only works for a single character, I'll show you. If I remove one letter here in this string, maybe letter M, then this shouldn't work anymore. See, it doesn't find anything because it is expecting these letters to come in this succession, S followed by anything followed by T, but it's not the case. There's no such record like that. Okay, so single character wildcard, this one, the underscore. The second wildcard character we're going to be learning to use is the % sign. It is used to represent any character or characters in the position where it is specified. Okay, let me get the example. So using the same table, customer table, select asterisk from customer where surname, like, S, uppercase S, followed by a % sign, which is the wildcard character for any number of characters. Okay, so this means where surname starts with an uppercase S, followed by anything. Okay, so it picks up two rows, both of which have a surname that begins with the uppercase S, Smith and Santos. That's correct. And like mentioned, the % sign it's a wildcard character representing any number of characters. Can be a single, can be many. Okay, so it fits, it satisfies the condition. Note that if I move right now, the % sign is at the end. If I shift it so that I shift the letter S so that the wildcard now is at the start of the string condition, then this will mean that I want those rows where the surname ends with S. So in the previous example, I wanted those that start with S. That's why we pick up 2. But now if we say, I only want those whose surnames end with S, then it will be a different condition and output. And this time I'm picking up only one row, but it satisfies the condition that the surname ends with S, Santos. Okay, that's why previously we were picking up 2 rows because both of them were starting with the letter S, but this one with the condition that with the wildcard being used, we're saying that I only want those rows with surname ending in S. Okay, so we've seen the 2 wildcard characters being used in SQL. One is the underscore, the other one is the % sign. you will be using a lot more the person sign as wildcard character because it's what's this versatile, because you can use it for a single character wildcard, you can use it for a multiple character wildcard. That's the reason. Now, you happen to be curious and you might ask yourself, why not? Why isn't SQL using the asterisk as its wildcard characters that how it's being done with OSs like DOS, Unix, originally Unix, and then also DOS, and then later on Linux. Why doesn't SQL use the asterisk as a wildcard character, but instead it's using this person sign or the underscore? I believe the answer to that is the asterisk already is being used for a different purpose in SQL, and that is to signify all the columns in a table, so that when we say select asterisk right here from a table name, we're saying we want to display or query all the columns of that table. That's the meaning of the asterisk. That is why it is not being used for or as a wildcard character. Okay, so we've learned in this video the two wildcard characters mainly in use in SQL. Okay, thank you for watching and listening. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.